Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're looking to delete your Roblox account using your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through each step of the process clearly and carefully, so make sure to follow along and pause the video if needed. Open the Roblox app on your Android phone. Tap on More located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. After that, select Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now scroll down until you find Account Deactivation and Deletion. Then tap on Initiate. Confirm your action by tapping Initiate again when prompted. Next, you'll be taken to the support form. Enter your contact information, including your username and email address. Then select your device type, which in this case is Android phone. After that, choose the type of help category. Select I want to delete my account. Finally, enter the reasons why you wish to delete your account. Tap on Continue to submit your request. That's it. Your Roblox account deletion request has been sent. If approved, your account will be permanently removed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials.